Hello everyone, this printer is HP Officejet 8015 or 8010. What I want to do is to show you how to copy document, open glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down, make sure the document starts from the top left, close the cover, select copy from the screen, then select this button for you to type number of copies. So we want to copy this one, then select done. It will show you that we have 11. Select 1, then select done. So the center is the one you are copying. Then select the gear, two-sided. Select two-sided. Two-sided is on. Paper type, select the paper. Make sure the paper you want to use is loaded in the tray. Then select OK. So the paper we have here is A4 and plain paper. Resize the actual size. Then you scroll down. Quality is normal. Enhancement is mixed. Binding margin is off. Scroll down. So nothing else to select. Scroll up. Then the next thing to do is after you select all the features, then you select start black or start color. So select start color. So select settings, select two-sided. Two-sided is on. Then you go back, then select start color. We're going to copy two-sided. The page is drying up. Load the second page on the glass scanner. Turn the document the other way around, upside down. Then select OK. It will copy the second page. This is the document we copied, two-sided. Now take the other document. I want us to copy using ADF. Stick the document. The part you want to copy need to face up. Then select how many copies. Go to the settings. Two-sided is on. The paper as A4. Then you go back. Then you select start black. The page is drying up. So I want us to copy again with ADF. Stick the document on the ADF. Then go to the settings. Select two-sided. Then go back. So with ADF, you can only copy one side with ADF. If you want to copy two-sided, then you need to use the glass scanner to copy two-sided. Stick the document. Then select the settings. Two-sided is on. Then go back. Then select start copy black. Then it will ask you two-sided. Load the second page. Then you open up the glass scanner and load the second page document you want to copy. Then select OK. This is the document we copied, two-sided. So these are ways to copy documents. You can only copy one page with ADF. If you want to copy two-sided, then you need to use glass scanner and you need to turn the document upside down for you to copy the second page. So this is how to copy document on HP Officejet 8015 or 8010 series. Thank you very much indeed.